What's up, everybody? This is the Welding Machine back again. It is day 2, and so far on the build, what we got? We already, well, the mountain plates got them everything tacked up. Now we're gonna open the ends. This is what I got so far. Alright, YouTube, I finally slightly tightened up the bolts a little bit. Get this thing rolling and going. So, first things first, set your car on fire, pour gasoline on it, and run. No, seriously. Clamp your ground clamp. What I prefer to do is like to, before you get ready to tack or weld or anything on your vehicle, unhook the battery. That's what I prefer. But hey, if you don't want to unhook the battery, you want to fry your ECU or ECM or whatever the fuck it is, be my guess. Keep, buddy. Put a nice good old size tack. Oh man. Oh my goodness, my paint job. Ooh, that hurts. Catch my hair on fire. No! Okay. I do want to drop. Okay, that shit. Okay. Ooh, smells something burning. Level this bad boy out. It should be level all the way across like this. You know, even out or whatever. Oh yeah. I forgot. Remove the blueberries. We'll probably get a clamp this level down on that side. Or if you ain't got a level, you can use an angle. If you ain't got an angle, then you know what? Go off your crooked up. Nah. Okay, we got the level. We got the Pittsburgh level going all the way across, and you can see where I got to bring it up. I got to bring it up right here. Got to bring it up right there, Bo. Oh, I'm zoomed in. Zoom out. See? Got it. You see that gap? You got to bring it up. Bring the plate up to that gap, and you know, the body line and whatnot. But alright, YouTube, this is what we got so far. I put it on wrong, but it came out so right. There we go. We got the tacks. You know, I don't want to zoom in too close. Had a gap, so I used a piece of metal to fill it in. This is what we got so far, and it's got kind of like a drop to it. You know, oh, boom! It just kind of like. Bow! It's like, oh, that joint line up so smooth with the body though. That's what we got. Boom. Alright, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so pretty much what you just seen, you know, before I was tacking on one corner and then I tacked on the other corner and so on and so forth and stuff like that. So this is what we got so far. Alright, so right here we got that one going down. Let's clear it up for y'all. That's what we got. So when you look at it from the front, you're gonna be like, you know, this is gonna be like one of them plows, you know. See, so it's got a nice angle and it's dang near even on all sides. We use that to fill in that gap right there, and we're gonna weld that all the way up anyways. That's gonna be a full penetration. And make sure y'all get one of these little blankets to cover up your grill, because I burnt a few tacks until I, you know, and got some hot metal on my paint on my grill. You didn't see the mounts. Got a little bracket in here. There's the mounts. Right there, it's got 6 bolts. 3 in that side and 3 in this side. And then we got this little brace cross member. And then I'm gonna put once I take the mounts and the whole bumper off, I'm gonna put a another. I got a thicker piece of angle, and I'm gonna put that in the back to keep it from pulling in. Because you don't want it to go, you know, straight like this. You don't want it to go like this. And then when I try to fit it up, I can't get it on. I'm about to cut the first face plate on a thing. Nice cut. You know, tip is dirty, so who cares? We got the base plate, first plate on, And we're about to get ready to tack this bad boy. So we're going to measure this for today. About 18 and 3/4. Guys, so what we did right now, we cut out the plate. We got this plate tacked up. We had to cut it out, find an angle, you know, use your cardboard and whatnot. And what we're about to do is we're about to tack up this corner and this corner. Alright YouTube, that's what we got so far. Alright YouTube, here it is. The 85 Chevy C10 pickup truck bumper. And it's finished. We're gonna do a wide lens. Bam. There we go. Hey, what's up everybody? It's the Welding machine. We finished up the bumpers right here on the table. We'll get a close up of that. At this moment I cleaned up the shop, swept up all the cuts and everything, you know, trying to stay clean. That's what a cleaner shop was a better shop. Alright, here's the bumper though. And do a little, it's face down right now. But see. Yes, everyone, we do offer off-road bumper builds. You gotta leave it here with other people. I would, you know, rather you guys drop your vehicle off and leave it here for a while until the bumper's built, is done and complete. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. And guys have a blessed day. And alright, y'all take it easy. Welding machine out.